Unlocking the magic of duets on TikTok opens up a whole new world of creativity, inspiration, and connection. Whether you're a creator eager to see who's interacted with your videos, or simply a TikTok enthusiast looking to explore how others have remixed and responded to viral content, learning how to see duets on TikTok is a game changer for your social media journey. Duets are at the heart of what makes TikTok so unique. They allow users to collaborate, respond, or add their own twist to someone else's video by recording side by side with the original. This feature has fueled countless trends, challenges, and viral moments. But with millions of videos uploaded daily, how do you actually find and view these duets? Let's break it down step by step. First, if you're looking to see duets of a particular video, maybe even your own, the journey starts on the videos page. Tap on the video you're interested in. Beneath the video, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the share arrow and tap it. In some cases, TikTok will show you an option labeled Duet if duets are enabled for that video. But to see existing duets, here's a trick. Copy the video's username and a snippet of the caption, then use TikTok's search function. Type in Duet at username in the search bar. This will reveal a stream of duets made with that user's content. You'll see a range of creative interpretations, reactions, and collaborations, all inspired by the original video. For those interested in seeing who's duetted your own content, it's just as simple. Go to your profile and select the video you want to check. Again, use the search bar to type Duet at your username or simply Duet your display name. This method can help you uncover a wide variety of duets, from fans, friends, or even influencers who've interacted with your content. It's a powerful way to track your reach, spot trends, and engage with your growing community. Another pro tip: some creators use specific hashtags like #DuetWithMe or #DuetChallenge when they want to encourage others to collaborate. Searching these hashtags can uncover waves of duets around a single theme or trending sound. It's a fantastic way to discover fresh creators, join challenges, or simply get inspired by the creativity of the TikTok community. But what if you want to make your own duet? When you find a video that inspires you and the creator has enabled duets, tap the share arrow and then select Duet. You'll be taken to the recording screen where your video will appear side by side with the original. Here, you can add your own flair, sing along, react, dance, or even offer a funny twist. At Famety, we know that engaging with features like duets is key to building your presence and growing your audience on TikTok. Duets are not just about content, they're about conversations, connections, and community. The more you interact with others, the more visible and influential your account becomes. And don't forget, if you're aiming to boost your profile even further, Famety is here with services to amplify your reach, from likes and followers to shares and comments, across TikTok and all the major social platforms. So, whether you're searching for inspiration, tracking your video's impact, or launching the next big duet trend, knowing how to see duets on TikTok puts you in the center of the action. Dive in, explore, and let your creativity shine. And if you ever need support on your social journey, remember, Famety is here to help you stand out, connect, and make your mark in the world of social media.